Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, no, it's not a couponing day. I decided to try to do something a little different. I am bringing you a clothing haul. Actually, it's a jean haul. I have about 5 jeans that I really like, okay? I have been trying to find some good jeans to where it can fit my curves. I actually got American Eagle. I had looked on a lot of people's, I did a lot of research looking at a lot of people's videos, and everyone that was, curvy, plus size, and that had, wore these jeans and that actually said that they are so comfortable. Y'all, when I tell y'all how comfortable these are, yeah, okay? So I went ahead and purchased 5 pair of jeans. I went in the store, I got 2 pair because they was on sale. Then I liked the jeans. When I came home, I wore them. I said, you know what? I need to buy me 3 more pair. So y'all, I'm getting ready to show you all the different jeans and the way they fit. But I'm going to let you all know, 1 pair did not make the cut, okay? So I'm going to have to either take them back, get another pair, get my money back. One or the other, okay? One or the other. So let me go ahead and show y'all these jeans, and I'm going to show you how stretchy they are on this first pair that I'm wearing. I will be looking away because I'm pulling up the jeans, but these jeans that I have on right now, they are called the Next Level Stretch, and they are really stretchy. See how stretchy they are? Real stretchy. And these are a size 14, okay? I could have sized down and got a 12, but I was like, no. It says, these are the super high-rise jeggings, and it's got the distress on here, but it's not like a whole distress. It's got the material behind it, and I like these for the winter time. I like the design and everything, and I like how the material is behind it, I like the other kind that got the hose. I like those too, but I just went ahead and purchased these. I got these for $59.95. Like I told you, one of them, this was the first pair that I got. One of them was buy one, get one 50% off, okay? But I'm just going to tell you the original price. So these are $59.95. So, if you want to try these, and then it's got some distress back here. And then the pockets, y'all, are deep. The pockets are deep, okay? And then it's got the distress on the bottom of the leg down here, okay? And then y'all watch this. Stretch, honey, stretch. Yes, and then I have room back here. Here is another pair of American Eagle jeans that I purchased. This is from the Curvy line, okay? And these are a size 14 also, but these are the curvy kind. And it's got, the little distress. This one right here is where you can see my leg. And I like these. And I like how, like I said, I could have got these also in a size 12 because I have some room right here. See other room. And then I have room in the back and on the sides. But I like my jeans to fit a little bit, not snug, but a little bit relaxed fit, to where it's not tight or it's not real loose, So I always sometimes go up to another size. And if I see that it's too big, then I will go back down, to my regular size. But this is the size 14. This is curvy. Like I told y'all, I'm going to be reaching over here, pulling up the information. These right here are the Curvy super high-rise jeggings, okay? That's what these are, the super high-rise jeggings. All right, and they have the distress, and this is from the Luxy Jean, and these are a size 14. The price for these was $79.95, but, like I said, if you go into American Eagle, they do have sales because the prices range from, I could say, $50-something to maybe an up. You know, I don't know. This is my first time doing these jeans, so I was looking in the store because we got to go into the stores in our area to actually can try them on. So this right here is the jeans. And then the pockets, y'all. These pockets are deep. They are real deep, and I like that. And then, so let me show you. And then they got some distress on the behind part. And I love that. It's so cute. So you can see. See? And then the distress on right here. And I even got distress on the bottom. On both of them. Yeah, I'm about to fall over. But yeah, this is really some really nice jeans, y'all. See what I'm saying? Stretch, y'all, stretch. And it is good. And then I do have a little bit of right here, but I'm fine with that. Yes. Love it, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all the length. I'm apologizing because I'm so sorry, y'all. It's my first time ever doing this, okay? So, on the first ones that I tried on, the length was regular, okay? The second ones I tried on was long length, okay? So, let's go ahead and get to my third pair of jeans that I purchased, okay? So, hopefully I can get this one right and tell y'all everything that y'all need to know. Okay, I am, my height, I am between 5'4" and 5'5". Okay, I'm in between. Okay, so that's my height. My weight, I'm not gonna tell y'all, but I wear a size 14, either 12 or 14. I'm gonna go from there. Okay, but I'm still working on my weight. Okay, so I'm between a 12 and a 14. I wear this size because everybody's body shapes are different. Nobody's body shapes is the same. Okay, you might can get away with some stuff, you know, wearing the same thing somebody else wearing the same size of looking at their shape, but there's different things that goes on. Okay, so I just want to let you all know that's my size. Okay, that's my size, that's my height, and the length of those jeans. So let's go ahead and get to this third pair of jeans. Okay, so these right here, like I told you, I'll be looking over here. These are the Curvy high-rise jeggings, okay? These are high-rise jeggings, and these are a size 14, which all of my sizes are 14s, but I'm gonna let you know again. And this is a size, this is a regular length, okay? So these, and they call the Dream jeans. That's what these are called, the Dream jeans, okay? So these right here, I really like these. They are, you know, I like this wash because, you know, I got them in different, all my jeans, I got them in different color on the wash because, you know, the first one was like a dark, the second one was a medium. Now these are a little bit lighter, and I like these. These are good for summertime, for the spring and the summer. You can wear them also in the fall, and like I told you, they all got deep pockets, and I love that because I can put my phone in here, put my keys, do pocket. No, they got long pockets. Then here goes some distress right here, and I like that. And then the distress is right here on the pocket, and distress right here on this pocket, okay? And like I said, these are regular. There's no distress on these. They're straight down, and you know, they don't hug. They are, you look, it is really stretchy from the leg on down, the waist. See, I love these. Let me show you the back. So even got some little distress back there. On there. Pockets are nice. They sit good. Then look, the back, stretchy. And then I can do that too. Stretch, love them. Here is the jeans, okay? These jeans right here, I really like these, but they did not like me. This is the jeans that I have to take back because I was thinking they are called the Comfort Stretch Waistband. So I was thinking, because I ordered these online, so I was thinking the waistband was a little bit, you know, a little stretchy, little more than this, okay? But it wasn't the waist. It was the hips, okay? But I like the waistband stress in the legs, you know. And these was a size, I got these in a 14, and it's a regular, 14 regular, right? So I'm thinking it says comfort waist, but not looking at, and it's a high rise, okay? These are high rises. And I like how the bottom of them are, okay? Because I can wear this like a flare. I can wear them with the boots, you know, if I want to wear them in the summertime, you know, I can wear them with my little sandals, or, you know, any type of shoes, you know, that I can wear them with. And then I'm going to show y'all the back. The back is nice too, you know. But they just wouldn't go over my hips. Wouldn't go over my hips. And these were $59.95. Yeah. These are the last ones. And these don't have no distress on it, no hose, no nothing. These are just the plain jeans that I look at. And this is like a dark wash. I like this wash on here, and I love the jeans, okay? And these are the Curvy high-rise jeggings, okay? It's got some stretch on here. They're the next level stretch. These are a size 14, and they're in the Curvy, okay? And it's extra long as far as the length, okay? And these was, the price was $39.95. Now, I didn't know they was $39.95. I had got these online, and I just was like, okay. But like I told you, they was on sale too. I had I think it was a 30% off. I got the sale. I think it was a 30% off. But these was $39.95. So these was the cheapest one. So it don't go from $50 on up. It looks like from $39, you might as well say $40 on up. You might find some cheaper than that in there. But I'm just showing you the ones that I got, okay? So these, like I said, these are from the Curvy line also. And I love them. And, you know, they don't have no distress, no nothing. So, you know, if I just want to just go somewhere that I don't have to show no distress, no hose, no nothing, I can just wear this with a nice little, you know, blouse or a shirt or a top on it with some nice shoes, you know. And these are extra long. So, these right here. And they fit so good and stretchy. The pockets are great. These pockets are long also. Real long pockets. Okay? See? Nice stretch. I could have went down to a 12 on these, but no, you know, like I told y'all. Then let's see. And see, it don't give you no buckle, no, you know, no nothing in between. Just give you, look at it, just straight. Good. Love it. Love it. You know, and I just want to know, I am filming in my office. I'm getting it together, y'all. I have an office now. And I know some of you all that follow me for couponing and stuff, but I sometimes like to dip and dab into other things and bring it to you all. So this is the first, not the first thing that I've done that, you know, because I had another video that I had talked about some lounging clothes. And then also I do have a boutique that I actually am running. It's called Chere'er Boutique. I will link it in the description. So just be looking out. I will be bringing you all other hauls. I don't know if it's American Eagle, but if you all got any other jeans that or pants that actually for curvy or just nice stretch, put it in the comments below. But as of right now, American Eagle has gotten my money, my coins. American Eagle has gotten my coins. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.